Guys, welcome back to our channel. It's a pleasure to be back here once again. I want to appreciate every one of our returning viewers that has always been subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button. For those that are viewing for the first time, please like the video, share, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Also click the notification bell, the black one, so that you can always get new videos every time that I post. For our video for today, we're going to be learning how to make soya milk with just 2 ingredients. Soya milk is a high proteinous plant-based product that is lactose-free, dairy-free, one of the best substitutes for vegans. It has anti-inflammatory and anti-cancerous properties. It's very good for those that are worried about cholesterol in their milk or fats. And the beautiful thing about it is that it's low cost and very easy to make. In fact, this is one of the easiest recipe I've ever had to do. Apart from the prep timing, which I'm going to tell you about, it takes only 20 minutes, if not less, to actually make a soy milk. So sit back, relax while I put you through this very easy and money-saving recipe. Soak your soybeans with enough water that overflows and cover it to stay for at least 8 hours, which means you can just do it overnight. The temperature of the room is going to determine how long you actually keep it to soak for. As you would observe, the soaked soybean became swollen, being much more bigger than the regular raw soya bean. Put the soya bean in a blender and add 4 to 6 cups of water. The amount of water you add depends on how thick or creamy you want your soya milk to come out. For me, I prefer it to be quite thicker. That's why I decided to add just 4 cups of water. It's very important that you blend to get a very smooth and creamy mixture for your soya milk. In as much as I like to make use of the readily available kitchenware for our viewers out there, I would advise that for this process you make use of the muslin or the cheesecloth, better still the nut milk bag, to help you get best results. That is, being able to sieve out much more soy milk than you will get just using the mesh sieve. The sieved mixture is now ready to be boiled. You should know that 180 grams of soya bean that was used would give you about 5 cups of soya milk. Stir the milk frequently to prevent it from burning. Also, skim off the foam while the foam throughout the process. You can now put off the heat and allow it to cool. Your nutritious soya milk is now ready. Though when frozen there may be a change in the texture, but obviously not a change in the nutrition. You can serve chill, add sugar or dates for sweetening, and also use cocoa powder or vanilla extract to make nice smoothies with this. Enjoy. Be assured that I'll be posting videos for these recipes. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.